It is a quiet afternoon in Brooms Town.
I am so tired after playing all day at the park.
But playing makes me so hungry.
I will make a special triple cheese pizza.
High heat will make it cook faster.
The timer says 15 minutes. I will just rest my eyes for 1 minute.
The oven is getting very hot.
Watch out for the grease!
The grease is starting a fire.
Smoke is filling the room. Doogie is still sleeping.
Beep, beep, beep.
He is sleeping too soundly.
Emergency at Doogie's cottage.
There is no response. We have a fire and a sleeping resident.
We are ready! Let's go! I will handle the fire! I will look for an entry point.
The smoke is very thick.
Activating rescue mode.
High power propeller blast. This will help Doogie breathe.
The door is locked. I have to break through. Stand back!
Thermal goggles activated.
I found him. He is on the sofa. Don't worry, Doogie. I have you.
Let me check his oxygen levels. He is breathing fine.
I must stop the fire now.
The oven is still on.
Power is off. Oh, extinguishing the grease fire. The danger is gone.
What happened? Why is everyone here? Oh no! My pizza! My house!
You are very lucky the smoke alarm worked, Doogie.
Never leave the kitchen while you are cooking.
If you are too tired to stay awake, wait until later to cook.
I thought it would only be for 1 minute.
Cooking is a big responsibility, Doogie.
Next time we will cook together and stay awake. Let's be safe together.
Today's safety tip: always stay in the kitchen while cooking. Remember to test your smoke alarms every month.
If there is an emergency, call for help right away.
Pay attention to the timer and never fall asleep.
See you next time, heroes. See you next time, heroes.
This is one messy pizza.
I am helping Helly now.
You are doing a great job, Doogie.
Today we learned how smoke fills a room and triggers an alarm.
We also saw how engineering helps us see heat signatures in emergencies. And we used airflow to clear the smoke and make it safe to breathe.
Kitchens are helpful, but can be dangerous.
Always follow the cooking rules.
This one has an automatic shutoff.
Stay safe, Brooms Town.
Thanks for joining our adventure.
How? Yay!
The pizza was ready, but nobody was awake.
The smoke is spreading.
Almost there.
It is getting hot in the kitchen.
He is breathing in the smoke. Ready for the patient.
Fire detected. Commencing extinction. Commencing extinction. The danger has passed. The danger has passed. Pain.
I will never sleep while cooking again.
Good job, Doogie.
Everyone is learning to be safe.
Looking good and ready for duty.
Everything in its right place. Brooms Town is all clear. Always here to help.
Ready for the next patrol? Always ready!
Whoa. Look, Kevin. Cooking is for staying awake.
Safety first